What is up, guys? It's Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at some very quick key information about this famous Australian wine region and how to pronounce Adelaide Hills. So Adelaide Hills is a wine growing area that is located in South Australia around the Mount Lofty Ranges region. It is in fact one of the biggest wine regions in South Australia, reaching to the south to the Fleurieu Peninsula and the McLaren Vale, and to the north the famous Barossa and Eden Valley. So it's a pretty large wine region, even though it's not all that famous that it's so big. But yeah, Adelaide Hills are pretty big. So the top wine grape varieties that are grown in the Adelaide Hills are cool climate ones. The area is famous for growing Sauvignon Blanc, Riesling, Semillon and Chardonnay as far as white wines are concerned. And of course, the cool climate allows to grow some great Pinot Noir wines as well. So how do you go about pronouncing this? Well, Adelaide Hills, Adelaide Hills, Adelaide Hills, mate. And yeah, that was it. What you should know about the Adelaide Hills and how to pronounce it. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.